Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the site URL prefix for your website projects you create on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your website menu here in Wix, and what you want to do from there is simply click into your account or profile icon in the top right, and from there navigate to account settings. Inside your account settings, what you want to do is click into that tab to the left, and here under account info you will see your site URL prefix. So what you want to do is click into edit here, enter your URL prefix here, and you will see the preview below. So as you can see, I added the channel name here for the URL of any site actually you create on Wix that hasn't been connected to a domain yet. Confirm by clicking to save, click into cancel, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.